Hello everyone, it's Jackson. Today, I'm going to show you how to block all ads on your Android phone easily, without any app, without installing anything. Open your Chrome browser, tap the three dots at the top right. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Site Settings. Keep scrolling until you find Intrusive Ads. Tap on it and disable the option. Once that's done, Chrome will block any ads that open automatically or cover your entire screen. You'll notice that browsing becomes smoother and faster. To make it even more effective, remember to clear your Chrome cache from time to time. Go to the browser settings, select Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Delete cookies and cache files, and confirm. Now, we're going to block ads directly from your phone system. Open your phone settings, scroll down, and tap Account. Tap on All Services. Tap Ads, tap Reset Advertising ID, then Confirm. Then select Delete Advertising ID and Validate. With this, your phone will stop showing targeted ads and tracking your activity for advertising purposes. You'll see fewer ads, and your phone will run faster. You can also reinforce this by disabling ad personalization in your Google account. Open your browser, sign into your Google account, then go to Data and Privacy and turn off ad personalization. And that's it. You've effectively blocked the majority of ads on your Android phone. You'll browse more comfortably with fewer interruptions, and your device will stay cleaner. If this method helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Jackson 100% channel, like the video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any Android tips. Thanks for watching, and see you soon for another tutorial on Jackson 100%.